Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your English teacher of class 1. Open your book, page number 43. Chapter number 15, use of she and her. She is used instead of female noun. The possessive pronoun of she is her. Her is used for singular third person. Now look and read. She is my mother. She is a teacher. फीमेल से रिलेटेड किसी भी चीज़ या बात के लिए हम हर यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी टीचर्स हर स्टूडेंट्स. शी इज़ माई सिस्टर. शी इज़ अ स्टूडेंट. अ पेन इज़ इन हर हैंड. अब इनसे रिलेटेड किसी भी चीज़ या बात के लिए हम हर यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ पेन इज़ इन हर हैंड. She is Salma. She is a nurse. Her dress is white. She is a housewife. She cooks delicious food. Her name is Fawzia. She is a maid. She washes clothes and utensils. Her clothes are dirty. Students, open your English C-work copy. Mention date, chapter number 15. Heading, use of she and her. Mention second heading, difficult words. Number 1, mother. Number 2, teacher. Number 3, student. Number 4, sister. Number 5, hand. Number 6, nurse. Number 7, dress. Number 8, housewife. Number 9, delicious. Number 10, dirty. Next, draw margin line. Make 2 columns for words meanings. Number 1, mother, ammi. Teacher, ustad. Sister, बहन. Hand, हाथ. Delicious, मज़ेदार. Then word sentences. Make 2 columns for words sentences. Number 1, dress. Her dress is white. Number 2, delicious. She cooks delicious food. Number 3, student. Sana is a good student. Students, this is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework on time.